Welcome back to Wonka's World. I'm going to be doing a toy review of the Infinity Gauntlet from Infinity War. So, yeah. So inside here, here's a little handle where you can put your hand like that, and then if you press onto this, it will make lots of noises, lots of different noises. Sometimes it'll do the same one a lot of times over and over again. So there's the green crystal, the purple crystal, the blue crystal, the red crystal, I believe, and the orange crystal and the yellow crystal. And then it goes from plastic all the way up to here. And then it has rubber right here. And then it's got like a few screws. You can actually take it apart, but these two spaces right here and this space is where these little like black lines were. And you can at start you just take the little strings out of this other black thing, and then you pull them out. You do the same thing to the rest. And yeah, I hope you have gotten how to use this Infinity Gauntlet toy. And comment down below if you know who wears this. Thumbs up, subscribe, and share and comment down below.